12:25. A very, very windy November 27, 2023. East Palmer. M438 has finished dropping cars off here in Palmer for the New England Central and the Mass Central, and is now headed for Worcester for cars for the Providence and Worcester. There is a DPU on this train. Loaded auto racks for Davisville, Rhode Island. A very clean CSX rack. Propane. Plastics. Brandy new cars. Maybe going to Hasbro. Loaded auto racks for Davisville, Rhode Island. Plastics, metal of some kind, demolition, auto racks for Davisville, clown show, that was the old Pan Am. Plastics, your DPU, UN 3475, plastics,
Norm Hipkins, stop, 79.4 to the limit, 78.4, main track, authorized street. Authorized 1225.
Wells Fargo.
John, has the light come on? Oh, it's off now. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait for that light to come on. You're not gonna be able to open up. Okay.
Demolition. Propane. Coil steel for Connecticut. Plastics. And off they go.